So today we're going to be talking about when to water your houseplants. Sometimes it's hard to tell. So there's a few different ways you can tell. One of them is by just looking at the leaves. This piece of leaf right here, it obviously needs a drink. It's telling you I'm thirsty. The leaves are all droopy. Sometimes you can't tell by looking at the leaves, so you can actually just pick up the pot. And if it feels light and kind of tap on it, that hollow sound, that's telling you it needs a drink. It should have more of a thud sound. So this one, I've picked it up. It feels heavy. It doesn't really have that thud sound. The leaves look great, nice and perky, and I can see that the soil is not dried out, and I can feel that it the soil will kind of stick together a little bit. You just stick your finger in there, and if it feels damp, leave it. Come back in another couple of days and try it again. So that's basically the easiest way to tell if your plant needs water. So those are 3 easy ways to tell if your houseplants need water. With little African violets, when you water them, you don't want to dump your water on the leaves. You want to put them in a little bowl and let them saturate slowly. And if you can actually do that with your other houseplants, it's a more thorough way of watering. It will help hydrate it better than just putting your water in and letting it run through to the drip tray. So if that's a possibility, then I would suggest doing it that way. See you in the greenhouse.